Hola Parania, it's X on the spot, and you best believe that it's another video from OPX. So it means a lot is happening at the camp of the Sea Robbers. It's transfer rumor time, manga business, more lies and more lies and more lies, unless somebody's starting up a fire. I'm tired of this Tekofato Mabasa saga. I'm going to explain to you why it might not happen for him to go to Kaizer Chiefs. And I'll also get to explain to you why Relebohile Mofokeng might be with Orlando Pirates till the end of the season. This is OPX. Asieni Juju. Let go. Alright, Parajuju, let's get straight to it. Tekofato Mabasa. Well, I'm not interested about a lot of rumors that they're talking about because I know he's entering the last 6 months of his contract. So Orlando Pirates are really keeping a close eye on this one. Reason being, we wouldn't want to sell him to our close rivals. I know something happened in the past transfer window where we lost 2 of our players, including Paseka Marco, to Kaizer Chiefs, but this is not the same scenario here. Kaizer Chiefs already have a lot of strikers at their disposal. For us, Orlando Pirates, we only have one left-footed striker, and that's Tekofato Mabasa. So you think we're willing to let him go just like that because all of a sudden everyone sees his game time lacking? No, that's not the case. He is in demand, we understand, and Mamelodi Sundowns were also interested in him the time Rulani Mokwena was their head coach. So what has changed now? Basically nothing. Orlando Pirates still want to win the league. We're definitely going to need his services. If we are to want to win the Nedbank Cup once again, we are going to need his services. So for this quintuple that we are looking for, because remember, we are now on 3 trophies. Have the MTN 8, the Carling Black Label, and the Carling All-Stars. Mind you, we are the first team that won the Carling All-Stars trophy. So definitely we're going to need to Tekofato Mabasa. Being a left-footed striker brings me to my next topic, why Relebohile Mofokeng might not even transfer in this January transfer window. Simply because he's a right-footed player. Look, Mbekezeli Mbokazi and Mohao Nkotha are left-footed players, and the in-demand players in the world right now are the left-footed players, unless you are ambipedal. Being ambipedal means that you can actually play with both feet equally so. So those players are in lack. I mean, the last player to do so, as I recall, was the late John Shoes Mushwe. So I don't know anybody at this moment who can. Actually, it was Bernard Parker, the last player that can play with both feet equally so. So that's another struggle we find in our South African football. That is the reason why Mohao Nkotha and Mbekezeli Mbokazi left Orlando Pirates in a transfer before Relebohile Mofokeng, despite Relebohile Mofokeng being the talk of the town and being the one that is under the spotlight in every corner of the world football. Left-footed players are in demand. Remember that, Juju. So yeah, I guess in this video I'll just keep it on here. It was a short one. It was just to let you guys be informed, because sometimes these transfer rumors might misinform us. They might misguide us, and we might think that the team doesn't care about the players. That is not the situation. Until we hear from Tekofato Mabasa himself or his agent on how they see the situation at Orlando Pirates, think we can still believe that he is part of the team and is still going to be part of the team until the end of the season. So if you're new on the channel, please hit the subscriber button. If you like this video, please like it too. And you can also drop your comments and tell me what do you think about the left-footed players that we have in the team, those that have already been transferred out. Are we still going to transfer more? Should we transfer some of them in, or should we leave it as it is? But for now, I kept the video on here. X has marked his spot. We out.